Numbers of intoxicating Eskuf was recovered from the container vehicle bearing number AS010C-1076 that was coming towards Tripura on Thursday. Assam Bajari Sharab police arrested a container vehicle driver Rajesh Kumar in the incident. Even in the eve of the Lok Sabha election, smuggling of intoxicating substance from out of the state in Tripura is not stopping. Meanwhile, police set on a vehicle checking just for name-check and checked only some of the vehicles and arrested some of the dealers. But on the other hand, Assam Library Watch Post and Bajarishwara police has taken away the slip of the drug dealer of the state. Numbers of intoxicating Eskuf was recovered from the container vehicle bearing number AS010C-1076 that was coming towards Tripura on Thursday. Assam Bajarishwara police arrested a container vehicle driver Rajesh Kumar in the incident. A case was registered under NDPS Act and the arrested was presented to Karimganj District Court on Thursday. The value of the seized cough syrup will be more than 15 lakh in the market. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.